let's give you this cylinder here. It has a radius of r and a height of h. Come up with a formula for the surface area of this cylinder. Remember, the surface area is really the total area that's on the surface. So work out the area of this thing here. Okay, so remember this is right. This is in effect a circle of radius r. So what you do, you work out the area of this circle here, and let's remove that area. So in effect, you've got one circle here, and then you've got the area of the bottom one, which is pi r squared. Okay, that's the area of this circle here, and up here as well. So you remove this identical circle here, and what you will have left will be a hollow tube. So what you've done is you've removed the circle up here. This is pi r squared, and then the bottom one you've removed it. So this is also another circle. Now what you're left here is a hollow tube, if you like. Imagine it as being a hollow paper tube. So you can actually put your hand put your hand through here. Okay. So 1, 2. So you can actually put your hand through here. So it's a hollow tube. Imagine it as being a hollow paper tube. Now that it's hollow, we can get a pair of scissors and just cut it down the middle. Let's cut this down here. So what you, and then cut it down there and then lay it flat on the table. Okay. So it's like a sheet of paper now, or flat on the table. Don't forget this is a height of h. Now, if this is h, then the bit that we've just cut along here, that's also h. Okay. So this is the line we just cut through here. So this is h as well, because it's just a flat piece of paper now. Now this distance here, we do actually know it, but you've got to be cunning. Let's see if you can find a way of working out what this distance is. What is this distance here? Press pause and think about this. We've got a cylinder here. We've got a cylinder. All that you know is, hang on. So this is our cylinder here, and it has a radius of r. So we are going to cut it along here. So it's in effect a sheet of paper here, like this. Okay. We know that this must be h, but we don't know what this length is, but we can work it out. So remember, it has a radius of r. Pause this and see if you can work out what this distance is. Pause it and have a think about it. Okay, the distance here, if you can imagine that the distance here is really the circumference of the circle. If you don't believe me, find an empty toilet roll or something, an empty paper roll, and then cut it. The length here is, so okay. This is our starting part, our starting point here. This is start, and if you cut it along here, this is the other end of the bit that you cut. So this is the other end. Well, the distance around the circle here, which is the circumference, is the same as for this. So this distance here is 2 pi r. Okay. Hang on. Let me try and explain this clearer. So this is our empty roll, if you like, our empty paper roll. We are going to cut it along here. Okay, so on this side, this is the start, this is the start. So we will have a flat sheet of paper here. So this is our start here, this is our start here. This is the end of the other side of where we just cut it. So this will be here. So the distance around here is really the circumference of the circle. So this, you can see, is the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. Remember, r is the radius here. Okay, so this length here must also be 2 pi r. Okay, so let's start again. So we've got our cylinder here like this. Our cylinder here like this. Remember, we've just removed the circle here. So we've got one circle here, and then we'll remove this circle at the bottom. So we've got this one is, remember the radius is r, so the area would be pi r squared here, pi r squared here, and then we've got our flat sheet of paper here. Remember, this is h here. This is h. So if the height is h, then this must be h. Okay, and then we've just worked out this distance here must be given by 2 pi r, because well the circumference here represents the length here. Okay, so our area, let's use S, surface area equals, now we've got pi r squared, and then we've got pi plus pi r squared. So we are getting this area here plus this area here. Okay, now this plus this, the area of this sheet here. Well, this sheet here is h times this distance here. Well, h times 2 pi r equals, well, we always prefer the number in front. They're all multiplying each other, so it actually becomes this 2 pi r h, or you can have 2 r h pi if you really wanted to, but the important thing is the number has to be in front. So the area of this thing is given by 2 pi rh, because you get this times this. Okay, so this sheet of paper is 2 pi rh. Okay, and now this is our Liger here. Our Liger here. They're exact. One Liger plus another Liger would be two Ligers. Okay, you see the two Ligers there. This is a Liger. This is a Liger. So this is a Liger. So you've got two Ligers here. And then plus 2 pi rh. So the surface, the formula for the surface area of a cylinder is given by this. Okay, so all you need to know is r and h, and then remember we just recycled the r here. So in order for you to work out the surface area of the cylinder, all you need is the radius and the height, and then you can work out the surface area, and it's given by this formula here.